move, Madam Chair, to dispense with the consideration or deliberation on both Articles 6 and 7 for the reasons that I stated. I so move.
Second.
Second.
Madam Chair, I second.
Before we act on the motion, let us put on record the manifestation of the Honorable Dilemma that the 6th and 7th ground are summation of the 5 prior grounds, and therefore the discussions that we had in the 5 prior grounds, including the discussions we had yesterday already with respect to similar grounds, support already the needed deliberation with respect to the 2 last ground, that is the 6th and the 7th ground. We state that to form part of the transcript of records of our deliberation today. So there is a motion to dispense with the deliberation of Article 6 and Article 7 for the purpose of the determination of sufficiency in substance of the 4th impeachment complaint. The
Second.
same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved. The deliberation for the 6th and 7th ground are dispensed with. That concludes the deliberation for the determination of sufficiency in substance of the 4th impeachment complaint. Having said so, then the member to be ready to vote for the sufficiency in substance first of the 3rd impeachment complaint, followed by the 4th impeachment complaint.
Madam Chair.